Okay, so the first step is just to make sure, like, you get the denominator and you make the denominator equal 0. Because the denominator cannot equal 0 because you can't divide by 0. So we know that's a really critical point. So x is not equal to 4. Now on your number line, that will end up being like an open circle on your number line. Okay, so if you were drawing a number line, there's 4, open circle. Now the next critical point comes from where 12 over 4 minus x equals x. So when you multiply the 12 x minus 4 to the other side, it becomes x times x minus 4. So that's times x minus 4. So when you open that, that would be x squared minus 4x equals 12. And then you go to solve that, that is now a quadratic. So 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. And then to solve that, we now have to factorize it. So product equals minus 12, sum equals minus 4. So it's x minus 6, x plus 2. So x equals 6 and x equals minus 2. So we have two other really important points that will go on our number line at 6 and minus 2. There's 0. So these are closed circles, because if you look at the inequality up the top, we've got 12 over x minus 4 is less than or equal to x. So where that is equal to x will be when x is 6 and x is minus 2. So that means these spaces here will be closed circles. So the last thing that we now need to do is to test points. So we test where it is actually true or where it is false. So if you put minus 2 there, 2 there, 4 and 6. So 6 was coloured in, minus 2 was coloured in, and 4 was an open circle. So one of the best points to test is 0, because 0 is really easy to test when you test on anything. So the equation is 12 on x minus 4 is less than or equal to x. So put 0 in place of the x, and you get 0 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so there's your x. 0 minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. That is actually true. Okay, because it is negative. So that means that in here, that is true. So it's true there. That means it'll be true on the other side there. You could go and test these points. Like you could test 5, and I bet you it won't be true, but it's not necessary. If it's true here, then it'll be true there. If it's not true there, then it would have been here and here. Okay, so if that wasn't true, there and there, then it would have been in between 4 and less than minus 2. But the fact that it was true, just go backwards on that because we know it was true. We know that it was true right here, in between minus 2 and 4, because 0 is true, therefore it'll be true on the other side of 6. So now all that we're left to do is write the solutions. So x is less than 4, but not equal to 4, and greater than minus 2. So it's in between minus 2 and 4. And then for the 6th part, make sure that, see how it goes the same way as the inequality, is x is greater than or equal to 6. And that's your solution.